Hello, Happy New Year and welcome to DeliBytes 2018. We've got some great DeliByte videos coming your way over the coming weeks and months, including what is native video content? How do I get ROI on my video? Where do I start when creating video content? What microphone should I be using? And what exactly is raw footage? I'll be covering video strategy and amplification, David will be tackling troubleshooting, and Ali will be answering all of your technical and equipment questions. For those of you who are new to DeliBytes, we release a new video natively on our Facebook page and deliver it directly to our subscriber inboxes each and every Monday. The videos also go live on our YouTube channel and are turned into written posts over on our website, because we're all about multi-purposing video content here at the Deli. Despite all of our planning and preempting, we know that there are so many more questions about video strategy, production and sharing that we could be answering for you. We just need to know what they are. So if you've got something you'd like us to answer, please drop us a line, send us an email or ping us on Facebook. And if you know someone who could use our DeliBytes videos, please introduce them to our video blog. So to get you prepared for creating video content and for the knowledge sharing of DeliBytes 2018, take some time over the next week to contemplate the following questions. How much time can I commit to creating video content this year? How much budget can I commit to creating video content this year? Do I want to be the face of my business on video content? And what do I actually want to be showcasing with video? I'll leave you with those and I'll see you next time.